All right, so let's go ahead and check that battery. Make sure she charged up good. Yep, we're great. But unfortunately, when I got into the car, there was still no power. Complete power outage. All right, I should have at least something, so I suspect that there's a problem with these funky little O'Reilly connectors here. Not a big fan of them. We're going to do what's called a voltage drop test, all right? So one lead here, another lead here. Okay, 0 means that we don't have any voltage going through the meter. That's good. All the voltage wants to go through here. Let's try right here on this post. Looks good. Now let's come over here to this plating. Definitely got a problem there. You see, 12 volts wants to go through my meter instead of actually going through this connector. That's not good. How about right here? Same thing. So we have a problem with this plating right here. And you know, folks, you don't need to have big expensive voltmeters like this. We can still do this with a little $10 meter that I got from the Harbor Freight. Now let's go ahead and set her up. It's a little tricky one-handed. Give me a break. Okay, 0, 0. Look at that. Just look at that. Okay. So we can do this with a little $10 voltmeter. Easy peasy. Let's go ahead and fix this mess up really quick. Oh yeah, look at that hot trash. Ugh. Oh my gosh. So disgusting. I'm going to clean all this up with a Wizzy wheel. So we're all cleaned up. We'll go back together. Verify we did a good job. I like it. All right, it's a lot better. Let's see if this car will start. Oh, look at that. We already got power inside the car. Fantastic. We're good to go.